Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove My WhatsApp from other devices. So first up here, open your WhatsApp as you can see on your screen and then tap on the three dots right there at the top right hand corner. Now when you open that three dots right there at the top right, it will show you this option. So tap on link devices. So here basically you'll find all the devices that you are logged in. So if you want to log out, basically just need to find the device right here. So just need to tap on that device and tap on this log out button. So that's how you basically do that. So just tap on that and tap on log out. So as you can see, it is now currently logging out your account from this device. And you just need to wait for a few seconds here. Now, the second way here to basically remove your account from other device is by adding some security code. So definitely just need to tap on the three dots at the top right and tap on settings right here at the bottom. And from here, just need to tap on the account option right there at the top and tap on two-step verification. So from here, you just need to change your PIN or you just need to turn on and create a new PIN. So if someone wants to open your account to other device, they need to open with the code. So they won't open your account from other devices. So that's it. That's how you basically remove your WhatsApp from other devices. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.